DoorDash is launching its own fleet of delivery drones. There's a specific kind of DoorDash order that offers a persistent logistics problem. It's far enough to be a hassle, but not far enough to make the trip worthwhile for drivers. To solve this, DoorDash is turning to the skies. The food delivery service recently unveiled DoorDash Air, its in-house drone delivery program. The company also secured Part 135 air carrier certification from the FAA, allowing it to operate its own drone fleet, a privilege held by only 8 operators so far. DoorDash identifies orders between 3 and 5 miles as mid-range deliveries, a key logistical challenge. These orders account for more than 20% of its volume and take around 25% longer than average, largely because drivers avoid them. After pilot programs showed drones can complete these trips in about 25 minutes, the company now has a proven concept. While DoorDash will continue its 4-year-old partnerships with other drone companies, its new in-house design is meant to sit in the gap between the short and long-range drones those partners already fly. The bigger challenge isn't the drone itself, but the ground infrastructure. DoorDash is also developing systems that enable drones to pick up orders from drive-thrus, rooftops, or restaurant back doors, along with the software that coordinates the entire process. "We want drone delivery to work for any merchant, anywhere," said Harrison Shi, head of DoorDash Air, in a statement. "We're building the full stack to make that possible, from the ground infrastructure to the drone itself, and the handoff systems that make it work together seamlessly," Shi added. DoorDash plans to add its drones to a delivery network that already includes human couriers, dot robots, and third-party drone and autonomous vehicle partners. All deliveries will be managed through its autonomous delivery platform, which selects the most efficient delivery method in real time, giving even small restaurants access to advanced delivery options. The company emphasizes that Dashers will remain central to its network, handling most deliveries. Larger orders and apartment deliveries will still rely on human couriers, as drones can't accurately navigate to specific units, such as apartment 4B. DoorDash isn't alone in exploring drone delivery. Companies including Chipotle, Dave's Hot Chicken, Little Caesars, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Amazon, and Walmart are investing in the technology, while drone provider Matternet's planned public listing signals the industry's continued growth.